A few moments later.
Good afternoon, guys. Mark here again, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, if you love cars, loves DIYs, this might be the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe and visit my playlist. All right, so today we're gonna have another DIY session. I hope you like the previous DIY videos that I made for you guys. Today, what we're going to do is we're gonna replace the original rubber boot for our shifter with an aftermarket one. I'm gonna show you why. Um, as you can see, the OEM or the original shift boot cover for my Hyundai Eon is already worn out. Okay, so we're gonna replace it with let me just remove the plastic with this one. It's a I do believe it's a synthetic leather with carbon fiber accent with red stitches. All right. So
Later.
all right. So for this DIY, first thing that we need to do is prepare our tools. All right, and then oh, by the way, when you're doing this, you can. It would be safer if you turn the engine off. The reason why my engine is running is because it's like 3 p.m. In the afternoon. It's really hot, but it is. I would recommend that you do this while the engine is switched off. All right. So first thing that we need to do is remove the shifter handle. You just need to turn it counterclockwise like this, and then all right, next would be remove the clips of your rubber boot cover. You just need to pull it out, start at the corner, and then gently remove the clips all around it, and it should look like this. All right, so the original cover has staple locks like this one. All you need to do is just pull out your stock cover.
Twelve seconds later.
All right, so at this point, I'm just basically making sure that I mounted the replacement rubber or shifter boot cover. And all you need to do at this point is cut out the holes to lock out on the clips. And then if you have a staple gun, you can staple it to make it stronger. In my case, I don't have one. I might just do it maybe if I get a staple gun myself. But for now, this would work since this will be in between the center panel and these clips. Okay, so let me just cut out the holes and show you what should it look like. All right, so I just finished cutting out the holes. This is what it looks like. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna cut out the excess leather, and then all right, so let's just mount it real quick just to give you guys an idea. What does it look like? All right, let's return the knob. All right, so that's what it looks like. I haven't fully installed the clips yet, so but I'm liking what I'm seeing. Check that out. It looks like a carbon fiber, and also this actually prevents dust from coming in your gear selector cable. As you can see, I have a lot of debris that came in with my old rubber boot for the selector cable or shift knob, and this is the replacement. So if any of you guys are asking how much does this cost, this is only 120 pesos, so about $2 US. It looks good. It really feels nice when you touch it. It feels like leather, but I know it's just synthetic, and it matches my steering wheel cover. So I'm gonna post both of the links for the video on description box below. This is only 150 pesos if I'm not mistaken. So 150, and then this is 120. So this is like your 270 pesos look. And it looks good. It matches the color of my car. It's red and black. Black interior, and then red on the paint job. So alright, so that's basically how you replace your gear selector or the shift boot cover of your Hyundai Eon. This actually applies to all vehicles. Just make sure you get the correct cover for your specific car. It's easy, it's cheap, and if you're gonna have this done outside, this would cost you a lot of money, and it's really easy. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. Share the video, like, comment if you have any questions. And yeah, that's basically it. Until our next video, thank you so much for all your support. Take care, everyone.